Alright, so I think it's been at least or almost 2 years, I haven't checked, since I have made my How to Repair Dancing Douglas Fir video. And I've had a lot of people ask, how do you repair a 2-foot one? I can't do this, blah blah blah. So this Douglas Fir actually just split on me.
Hi, I'm Douglas Fir.
I don't know if you could tell, but the mouth is like struggling. It's making noise. You can't really hear it on the camera because he's so loud, but yeah, I'm just gonna get it out of the way before it completely splits. And if you're wondering why he's so beat up, I got this at a thrift store about 5 years ago for just $1, and I was originally gonna try to clean him up, but I kind of like the character he has. He's supposed to have a top, and he hasn't had a problem until now, which I'm surprised about. His eyes were snapped off, and I had to re-glue that back on, but besides that, he has not had a mechanical problem. So, basically, it's the same concept as a Dancing Douglas Fir, just in a different neck. So, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. There'll be, let me zoom in. God, I'm so bad at this. There is this little black piece, or it's green sometimes, I don't know. And this goes for all 2-foot or 2-motor Douglas Fir models. They're all built the same. It doesn't matter what they sing or how the eyes look. They're built the same exact way on every single one. So I'm going to be taking this little black piece of plastic off. Here, I'll take this branch off so you can see it. This. I think I mentioned it in the Dancing Douglas Fir video. There's this little cheap plastic covering that will cover the motor, and I just pull it off and re-glue it on later. And then there's the motor. Basically, what I do is unscrew these. It's a very simple repair process if you know what you're doing. Just unscrew these 2 screws right there and make sure they're in a safe place. Get that out. And there should be this little, I don't know if you could tell. Let me bring the camera closer. Alright, I decided to turn flash on for this side of the video. There's this little plastic covering right here. Not really a covering, but it's in Billy Bass's too. Probably more items I don't know of. Basically, the screws I took out just go on there. And basically, once you take it out, it should just come loose. Sometimes there will be a little bit of glue on the motor from that little plastic piece I showed earlier. Right here. As long as you're careful and like nudge it out, or just like twist it around, it should come out. And then you should see the gear. Oh yeah, it's split. Alright, I realized that when I was editing the video, I didn't do a very good job explaining this. But I'm just gonna explain it for the heck of it, even though I think it's obvious. How to tell if it's completely split when you get inside of it is there's always going to be this little tiny black line. See it right there on the right? Like right in the middle of it. Another thing is it slips right off. It slips right off the motor. So yeah, I just wanted to clear that up. And you want to have a new one handy. You can find these in practically any animatronic, not in any, but a lot of animatronics, tabletops, use 10-tooth gears, or 9-tooth works too. I just use 10-tooth because it's what I have more and it's what they have. 9-tooths will also work, they're just a little faster because it's one less tooth. And you just slip back in there. You do want to make sure is that it's getting connection with the other gears. If you push it too high, it might not. If you push it too low, it might not either. So you want to push it right in the middle, or maybe take a picture of it if there's not already like a line from the old gear being there for so long. Going back to what I said earlier, these type of mechs, I think this is from some polar bear. These type of mechs usually have tensus in them. You just have to pull the motor out. It's different, though. It just depends. If you don't have animatronic, though, you could buy them on Amazon. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. You just have to screw the screws back in. Alright, so it should work now.
Hi, I'm Douglas Fir.
Yeah, that literally took, what, 5 minutes? If you want to put the cover back on, it's up to you. Usually I'm lazy and I just cover it with a branch. But yeah, that is how to fix the mouth. And just for the hell of it, I am gonna be moving on to the eyes, because even though it's literally the same exact mechanism, I keep having questions about it, and why not? So, same thing here. Take off the plastic cover. I've already taken it off. And just unscrew this. All Douglas firs work the same. No matter what size they are, they always take the same gear. And just the same process. And you pull it out. And that's it. The gear's already good on here. Let me zoom in actually. Oh, alright. So, the gears on here is good. It doesn't need replacing. I just wanted to open it up and show you guys how easy it is to replace the gear. That's all you do. That's how you fix a Douglas fir. If you guys want to see more Douglas fir videos in the future, maybe yours has a different problem, mechanical wise, or there's the eye blown out, yeah. I will gladly do more of those. The next video I want to do is how to replace the eyes, how to replace the eye lights, because it's simple, it's just tricky because the old plastic. God, he looks traumatized. Yeah, so I think that about wraps up the video. I will answer any questions anyone has in the comments, or try my best to. So yeah.